Ants are tiny but mighty, finding the smallest spots into your home. Let's scope out their favorite doorways, windowsills, doors, and wall cracks. Preventing an ant party starts with not sending out invites. Seal those cracks, clean spills ASAP, and don't leave food out. Simple, right? First up in our DIY ant repellent is 1 cup of vinegar. It messes with their scent trails and is super easy to find at home. Next, just as important, water. We're making a solution here, so we need to dilute that vinegar. Mix equal parts water and vinegar in a spray bottle. This is your ant-deterring brew. Magic in the making. Spray your vinegar solution along those entry points we talked about: windows, doors, and cracks. Watch as your ant problem marches away. Thank you for joining us on this journey to a healthier, pest-free home. We hope you found these tips helpful and empowering. Remember, you've got this. We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your own tips, questions, or success stories. Your feedback makes us all stronger and smarter. If you enjoyed this guide and want more like it, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on new tips and tricks. Together, let's keep our homes safe and sound.